Hey everybody, it's a beautiful October morning. Let's go check and see if we can get some sunflowers this morning. So, you can see these guys are long overdue from being harvested. Have birds pecking them off. But let's at least get the seed heads down before it rains today. And we'll take you through the process of what I do to harvest them. Cheers. Alright everybody, this is what we got for our sunflower harvest this year. I think I got 15 or 16. They range anywhere from that little guy all the way up to, get that crock in there, that guy. Let's pull them from the head, seeds from the heads, and see what we end up with. Okay, first thing you want is something that you can dip the head in and be able to scrape the seeds off so the seeds don't splatter everywhere. And really, this is simple. Just taking your thumb and going across the seed. Oops, see, I already spilled a couple out. But it's nice just to have that there. Also, it's nice to have it do it on a spot where it's fairly clean, that you can just simply take your thumb, rotate it. If you're on a spot that's fairly clean, you just sweep up the seeds that you spill afterwards. So I am planning on using these seeds mostly for the bird feeders. Feed the birds. Yeah, you might think that's a waste. I should eat them or do whatever with them, but I enjoy watching the birds in the wintertime, and it's a good way to get free bird seed. The other use I'm going to use for them is I'm going to grab probably maybe about 50 seeds or so, save them for next year, and we'll just keep the train going. So every year I have bird seed for my lovely birds, I guess. Alright, here's the final product. You see, got quite a few sunflower seeds in there. I did have some sunflowers that were black, but this is the bulk of them. So those seeds I'm going to bag up and save, and we'll plant those for next year. Give you an idea. Yeah, it makes a mess. What I'm going to do is sweep up these seeds, all these seeds that I dropped. We'll put up bird feeders today.